sir.
So some question you got, some question means sum of the terms or something like that. Some question you got. Sum of 25 terms, in that way you got the sums.
Yes, sir. Those sums I got, but I had doubt in 8th and 9th, sir. 5.2.
5.2, 8 and 9th, no, I were having doubts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve right now, wait.
Yes.
5.2 AP and CERT. 5.2 question number 8th and 9th you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sharing the screen now. BSc Maths AP. Where's AP here? AP, ICSE, AP. I'll just put one page extra questions. I'll just write here. And 8th and 9th I'll just do here itself. 5.2, 8th and 9th. 5.2. Maggie Khali. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं. 5 question number 8th one is AP consists of 50 terms, which third term is 12. So 50 terms means n is equal to what? 50, right? Third term is 12, means A3 is equals to 12. Last term is 106. What do you mean by last term, Shreyas? A50,
Sir,
right?
8. Yes, sir.
A50 is 106. So find 29 term. 29 term means A plus 28D, correct? A29 means what? A plus 28D, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you know A and D, you can, your work got over. A and D, if you got, means you can find easily, right? So for A3, you can write A plus 2D is equals to 12. Can you write like this?
Yes, sir.
And A plus 49D is equal to 106. Now what you can do, you can subtract here. Minus, minus, minus. A gets cancelled. So minus 47D is equals to what you can write? Minus 94 you can write. So D is equals to 2, correct?
Yes.
Then put the value of D in the first equation. You can put here in this equation. So what do you get? A plus 2 into 2 is equals to 12. So A is equals to what do you get? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now put the value, that is 8 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 56. The answer is 64. That's it now.
Yes, sir.
You are having doubt in question number 9th also, right?
Yes.
9th is much easier. You have done all the questions. Anyone having doubt in this question? Question number 8.
No, sir, we had also solved it, right?
Okay,
So we
fine.
have already done this no sir, previous classes.
Yeah, we have done. So next question is, which term of the AP is 0? All of you solve. Try this question because we have solved all the chapters. No. And this question number 9th. I think I got question bank also. I need to check once. I from CBSE. All of you solve this question. Where are you getting stuck, Shreyas?
Sir, I'm getting the answer, sir, but I'm getting a long process, sir. Like how to do it in short process, that one I'm not able.
Sort process. See, third term is 4, means a plus 2d is equals to 4. Ninth term is a plus 8d is equals to what? Minus 8. Like this only, no?
Yes.
So minus 6d is equals to 12. You get the d is equal to what you get? Minus 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now put the d in this equation, first one. So a plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So a is equal to what you get? 8, correct?
Yes, sir.
A is
So
equals to,
fourth term is the answer.
I
Well,
don't know.
third it's yeah.
Let me
Yes.
check. So if you're writing the series, what if you write 8, 8 minus 2, or you can write in this way, a plus d we are writing now. So a plus d means a minus 2, a plus 2d. 2, like this we can write. So 8, then 6, then what you can write? 4, dash, 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 then what means 0 will come. See, a is equals to 8, d is equals to minus 2, and last term, that is an is equals to what? 0, correct? So an is equals to a plus n minus 2. Should go in process only, Shreyas. Or here only we got, see, 8, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Here only we can see, right?
Yes.
But anyway, just do here 0 plus a is how much? 8 plus n minus 1, and difference is minus 2. So bring here minus 8 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. The n minus 1 is equal to 4. The n is equals to
Equals to 5.
5. That's it. Is it clear or not? I think it's
Yes,
clear.
sir. Understood.
Hmm. So now shall we do extra questions based on this? So
Yes.
next question is, one minute. One. All these questions we have done. Actually, you try, children, now. AP you can try, I think. Shreyas, still keep on doing. You understand the concept. Some concept you know, Shreyas, n by 2 into that concept you know.
So mostly I know all the concepts.
N by 2 into that this concept you know, right? N minus 1
Yes, sir.
into d. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, you know, this one.
Yes.
So you know the concept. So keep on trying to do the questions based on AP. We just continue with surface and volumes only. Okay, this is easy chapter actually, AP part. Again, this actually we have done long back in the class only. Okay, again repeating is not. Now surface and volumes what I am doing right now, no. That is new questions for everyone. Okay, it's
Okay, sir.
clear. So I'm doing this part only. I'm just, see children, I'm just doing right now. 20 C. So till we have done till fifth question. See, all of you do this question. Question number 6 here. The volume of one sphere is 27 times the another sphere. Calculate the ratio of their radii and surface. The volume of one sphere is 27 times the another sphere. So the sphere is V1, another sphere is V2. So one sphere volume is X. This will be what? 27x, right? To calculate the ratio of their radii. Volume of one sphere is 27 times the other sphere. So you can just write, it's very easy only, right? So फिर से close करना पड़ेगा बाबा. All of you try on. All of you
The
try.
ratio of that radius is 3, sir. 3 or 1 by 3?
Ratio of the radii, right?
Yeah, sir.
3:1.
Yeah, that one only.
Yeah. 4 by 3 pi r cube. We're comparing, right? See, we're comparing volume of 1 by 4 by 3 pi r cube. R1, R2 you can put here. So volume of one sphere is 27 times the other. So this sphere is 27 times the other. Means this is bigger. Should multiply with this only, right? So now what we can do? We can cancel now. 4 by 3 will get cancelled. So R1 ka whole cube is equals to.
Sir, and this that ratio of surface area is 9:1.
So radii, how will get here? 27 is there.
You get the whole that cube root of 27.
So R1 by R2 you can write if you want. 3
You
by
have written R1 by R1 in the top.
R2 you can write, no? R1 and R2. Now surface area means CSA of one, CSA or to TSA?
Anyone is same, right? Here sphere is there.
Acha. Surface area of first one and surface area of second one. So 4 pi R1 square and 4 pi R2 square. This one is no miss, it's very easy, 9 by 1, right?
Yes.
Anyone having doubt? Javian, Drishi on the camera. Shreyas, your camera is still not working. Shreyas,
Yes, sir.
Chanchal, Drishi, Kritika.
One.
Kritika, can you hear me, Kritika?
Yes, sir, 1 minute, sir.
If I tell, then 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 will start telling. Huh? Question number 7, all of you do now. If the number of square centimeters on the surface of a sphere is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in its volume, what is the diameter of the sphere?
Diameter is 6 centimeters.
Diameter is 6 centimeter.
Yeah, I think, but I got it very simply, so I don't think.
If the number of square centimeter of the surface of a sphere, number of square centimeter is equal
Yeah.
to the number of cubic centimeter. What does it mean?
Is it 2/3?
Why your
Sir,
mic is like that? Rishit, there something is there. What kind? Samarth, you were telling something. How it seems?
yeah. So I was saying that the surface area of the sphere is equal to the volume.
I am saying that Rishi sound is coming like what?
Yeah, okay. That was like robotic thing.
Robotic sound is coming. The number of square centimeters of on the surface of a sphere is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in volume. Yeah, it means that your square means CSA is equals to volume. They are saying, right, Samarth?
Yeah, sir.
If a square centimeter talking about, it means the curved surface area is equal
CSA
to
not
what?
yeah, TSA. Same
Anything
only.
surface area only put. Let's say TSA,
Yeah.
whatever it is equal to volume. Then what is the diameter of the sphere? You can write here 4 pi r square is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 cancel, 4 will get cancelled, pi also get cancelled. R will come only, no, here. R
Yeah.
square r to
R
the
equals
power
to
3.
3.
R is equals to 3. The diameter
Yeah.
is equals to what?
6.
6 centimeters. That's it. Is it clear, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Question number 8. A solid metal sphere is cut into center into two equal parts. Two equal parts. If the diameter of the sphere is 3/2 centimeter, the solid sphere is cut into two equal parts. No, so this is not right here. This is going to cut into two equal parts. The diameter of the sphere is, so diameter is given 7 by 2. So radius is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. To find the total surface area of each part, correct? Each part they're asking now. The total surface area is become hemisphere, right? Right? TSC of what you should find? Hemisphere, correct or not, children? You are understanding? If you bifurcate into two parts, you will get a hemispherical shell, right? So you have to find TSA of this hemisphere. What is TSA of hemisphere? 3 pi r square. So 3 into 22 by 7, and radius is how much? 7 by 4 into 7 by 4.
Yeah.
7 cancelled.
Sir, 7
2
by 8 must be there, right?
7 by 8. How? Why?
Because it is cut into two parts again.
So if you cut holes this one into two
Okay,
parts,
okay, okay. Yeah,
the
yeah.
radius will be
Yeah,
same,
the
right?
radius will be the same, yeah.
Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 11s are. So now you can multiply here. You can't cancel now. 33 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 21 to 23 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. 7 8 8 is 64. 7 again like this will come now. Just check. Centimeter square. Two decimal places they are saying, right? So 28.88 you can write. You can write 28.88. And this is your. Anyone having doubt? Shreyas, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 8 is clear. Question number 9. All of you try question number 9 now. Internal external diameter of hollows or diameter of hollow respectively. What is this? Hollow sphere only. Just remember, children, here. This is a
Sir,
hollow
it's,
sphere.
I think, half the question.
Hollow
Something is
sphere.
there more.
Sphere only should come. Okay.
No, there is. No. There is no
That
dimensions.
acha, some wrong dimension.
हाँ,
Okay, I'm removing this. Next. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have the same total surface area. Find the ratio between their volumes.
sir, I am getting 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4.
3 by
4 into root 3 by 4.
okay. 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4. 3 by 4.
No, it's a different sir, just a minute.
Anyone just write in the chat box who has written in the chat box 2 by 3. Drishi is getting 2 by 3. Drishi, answer. You can type Drishi. I can't actually recognize your voice.
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
Answer you have sent. Okay. 3 root 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 root 3 is to 4. Answer should come, children.
Sir, I got 3 root 3 is to 4.
Yeah, it's correct. Javian,
Yes.
it's correct. Drishi, Chanchal, you people are getting. See, Chanchal was on for a few seconds, then he left off. Chanchal, Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
a solid sphere and a solid hemisphere means one is sphere one is hemisphere. Have the total same. Suppose 4 pi r square is equals to what? 3 pi. So total surface area of the sphere, TSA of sphere is equals to TSA of what? Hemisphere, correct? So here we can cancel it off. 4 and this will get cancelled. 4 will not get cancelled. No, pi will get cancelled. So R1 by R2 whole square, if you want to write, you can write 3 by 4, correct? So R1 by R2, if you write, what you can write? Root 3 divided by 4. Sorry, 2. Root 3 by 2 is coming. What do you have to find? Volumes, right? So volume V1 by V2, if you write 4 by 3 pi, this will get cancelled easily. 4 by 3 pi R1 cube, and this is R2 cube. So 4 by 3 will get cancelled. R1 is your root 3 to the power 3 divided by R2.
Sir. It's saying hemisphere. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. And below.
Yes. Okay, fine. 2 by 3, right? The 3 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, we can cancel, correct?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
So 2 will come here. So 2 and this become 3. The root 3 divided by 4. This is the answer. 3 root 3 is to 4. Anywhere has doubt? Rishi, you got the same before only. You have not written the answer only. Rishi, not getting or what?
So that's why I don't remember the formulas. I have to make sure it's in the
Oh, no. I can't hear anything. Actually, I heard actually. Something was there actually. One thing you can do, Drishi, you can having earphone, something you try, whether the voice may be clear by earphone or headphone like that. We're having. No, same. Okay, next question is metallic sphere of radius 6, 8 and 10 centimeter. So 3 spheres are there. One is 6, then 8, then 10. So 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter are melted. This is going to melt and become one big sphere. So this radius we don't know. So this you name it as R1, R2, R3 and this is capital R. To find the surface area of the solid formed. The surface area we can't write is surface area of all the 3 spheres is equal to surface area of the bigger sphere. We can't write like that. We have to write the volume of all the 3 spheres. V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to what? V, capital V you can write. V of big sphere. So 4 by 3 pi R1.
Instead of doing that 4 by 3, we can just R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube will get the same.
Correct. What you're saying correctly only. But I'm just simply explaining this how it will come. Okay. Because 4 by 3 pi will remain the same for everything, right, children? The 4 pi will be constant. 4 pi by 3. 4 by 3 pi is common. So we can write R1 cube. Sorry, cube is this everywhere, right? R2 cube plus R3 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi into R cube. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 will get cancelled. Both sides. So what will get? R1 cube. That is nothing but 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equals to R to the power 3. So what do you get here? 216 plus 512 plus 1000 is equals to R to the power 3. And you got the answer
Sir,
for
you
this?
get 12 centimeters.
12 centimeter.
1728 will be the sum.
Yes, sir. 12 centimeter.
So R is equals to 12 centimeter. That's correct. Okay. Anyone having doubt? The soul is clear.
Yes, sir.
Chanchal, anywhere feeling difficulty anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. Network is proper.
Yes, sir.
You're not going to become bad. Bad, no. It will be
No,
proper
sir.
also. Okay. Because bad and good is in your hand only. You can make it bad. You can make it good. Correct, no, Chanchal? Now we are talking about percentage. Okay. We just write about percentage now. So surface area of the solid sphere is increased by 21% without changing its shape. Find the percentage increase in its radius and volume. Radius and volume. मार्क्स कभी भी याद इधर होना चाहिए साइड में हमेशा इस लाइन में हमेशा हम पे ही रहते थे लेकिन रूल होता है सीबीएसई का ऐसा इधर इधर होना चाहिए कैलकुलेट कोई भी करता है जैसे मार्क्स का भी तो यही ये कॉलम कैलकुलेट होता है हमेशा इधर को नहीं लगता हमको भी आता है इधर ही लोग देते थे तो गैप रहता है ना So surface area of the solid sphere is increased by 21%. Suppose before the surface was like, suppose surface area before was 100. Now the surface area of solid sphere is increased. Now become 121. So percentage increase in its radius. Hey, here we can't do like this, right? How to do this? Surface area of the solid sphere is increased. The surface area of solid is 4 pi r square, right? And this is going to increase with 21%. Anyone just try how to do this one? Surface area suppose is 100 and this is now 121. So 4 pi r1 square and 4 pi r2 square is equal to 100 by 121 if we write, correct? So 4 pi will get cancelled. So r1 by r2 what we get, children? 10 by 11 we get or not? Are understanding what I'm saying?
Sir, I am getting 33%.
Okay, 33% you are getting. Till here it's clear to everyone or not? The ratio of the radius is 10 by 11. So percentage increase in radius. So percentage from what is the percentage increase in radius? Percentage increase in radius is equals to what we can write? Percentage
10%.
increase first what you can write? 10 to 11 is going, right? So we'll write here increase divided by initial radius. This is the always thing. Initial radius into 100. This is a formula, children. So how much increase it happened? 10 to 11 happened, right? So 1 divided by 10 into 100. So 10%, right? 10% is the, is it clear how we're getting 10%? Anyone having doubt in this percentage of to find radius one? Now see volume part. Second is volume. So 4 by 3. Before volume was how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube means r1 cube and 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So how much difference will be there in this? Before it was like 1000, right? 4 by 3 pi into 1000. Can we write like this? And 4 by 3. 4 by 3 pi and r2 square is what? R2 square is 11 into 11 into 11. 1331 you get, right? Clear? How you found Samarth? This one? The percentage increase in volume. We can write it as how much it increased.
Should I tell the process?
No, leave.
Yeah.
So 331, we are going correctly, right?
Yeah, you are going correct. Problem.
4 by 3 pi into 1000 into 100. So 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. Increase initial into 100. 0 will get cancelled over here. The answer is 33.1%, right? 33.1%. How much you got, Samarth?
Yeah. I was also getting 33.1%. I took it as approx and 33%.
To see, this is the initial volume was this much. Okay, initial volume was 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi into 1000. Again, we can write 4 by 3 pi and we can write 1331. So 4 by 3 pi 1331,000. Means if you are finding any percentage change increase, so first how much it increased? How much it increased? Divide by initial of how much it was into 100, like that. This formula I remember. Okay. एक साई तेजा का होगा, एक बुकलेट और निकालो, उसमें सब सही है, सारा का सारा सही है, साई तेजा करके होगा, देख लो. हाँ, tell me children, is it clear to everyone or not?
Clear only, sir.
Okay. Next. Different kind of question going to start now. Going to see. Question number 1.
So this is also NCERT sum, right?
No, this is not NCERT.
Okay.
A solid sphere of radius 15. So someone, how did we get 331? Javian?
Yes, sir.
331, see how we are getting here. You are asking. You should ask, no problem. While you're speaking, know that you can tell me here. See how we are 331 you are getting. You see. Difference we are getting, Javi, and this is increased. No, how much it got increased from basic to main. See, from here to here, right? How much it got increased? So 4 by 3, 1 minute. 4 by 3 pi 1331 minus 4 by 3 pi 1000. Okay. So what do you get? 4 by 3 pi and you'll get 331. Is it clear to you how much it got increased?
Yes, sir.
So that's why numerator part is coming this one here. See here. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So next is first question. Solid sphere of radius 15 centimeter is going to recast into solid right circular cone of radius 2.5 centimeter. You write here R1, here write R2, and height 8 centimeter. Calculate the number of cone recast. How many number of cones will there? Means this is a big sphere, no? So suppose X cones are there. It means that volume of this bigger sphere is equals to volume of X cones. So you can write here volume of sphere is equals to X into volume of cone. Volume of each cone you can write. Okay. So volume
So
of
right side,
sphere is
the answer is 270.
okay 4 by 3.
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
Okay. X into volume of each cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right. So this is R1, this is R2. You can cancel your 3 down, you can cancel. Pi and pi will get cancelled. So you'll get anything is there, you just put the value 4 into 15 into 15 into 15 is equals to x into R2 square. So R2 is 2.5 into 2.5 into h, that is 8. So x is equals to what we can write 4 into 15 into 15 into 15 divided by 2.5 into 2.5 into 8. If you cancel this both, you'll get above what? 100 you'll get, right? Because after point, one digit is there. Chanchal, Rasool, Drishi. Drishi,
Yes,
20,
sir.
25 fours are 100, 25, this 5 5s are 25, 3s are, then 5 3s are 15, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 15, 45, 90, 270 cones you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Drishi, what happened to you? Your mic is, I know your mic is problem. So only one answer I got, means two answers. Samarth told and Shreyas has just messaged me, means in the chat box he messaged. Drishi, you didn't solve this question. Chanchal, you, where your people are
Sir,
getting huh?
sir was solving, sir.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Some different kind of question I'm asking to you. 1 minute. पता नहीं cone part we do now again. Anyone got the answer for this? Cone of height 15 centimeter. Cone of height 15 centimeter. H is 15 centimeter. Diameter is 7. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Is mounted on a hemisphere. See, is mounted on a hemisphere of same diameter. So diameter of this part is for what? Cone. And you can write 7 by 2. This is for hemisphere. छोड़ दो पहला कर देना तुम पूरा कर दे पहला वाला पूरा ना छोड़ दो. So now we have to determine the volume of solid form.
Sir,
So
I
write
am
this.
getting 282.33 centimeter.
How much? 2?
82.33.
It's correct. So
Sir, I'm
volume
getting it as 283.3.
283.33 you are getting.
Only 3, sir. 283.3.
Even I'm getting 282.33 centimeter cube.
Okay, some point mistake might be there, Shreyas, I think.
Okay, sir.
So volume of cone plus volume of, in volume, children, volume is the easiest part actually. In volume, no need to think we have to find TSA or CSA, anything, whatever is there, right? So volume of cone plus volume of what you should do? Hemisphere. Hemisphere. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus sphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So here 1 by 3 pi you can common, you can take. Radius will remain the same, so r square also you can take common. In bracket what we can write here? H plus 2r. Is it clear, children? So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H is how much? 15 plus 2 into r is 7 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Here also 7 cancelled. 2 11. So you can write here 11 into 7 divided by 6 into 15 plus 7 22. You can cancel again. 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are 11 11s are 121, 121 into 7. 7 4 8 847 divided by 3. How much you get? 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 8s are 24, 2.33. Got it? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rasul, today you have not answered a single question. Remember, Rasul. I don't know what you are doing. Switching off the camera. I don't know if you are solving or not. I don't know. And Chanchal will get time, then he'll switch off the camera. And Drishi also the same. He's answering sometimes, but Rasul,
Yes.
you have not mentioned a single answer today. I remembered. And Chanchal will be full silent only. Any doubts still you are getting? Any one of you having doubt? Any doubts if people are suffering with any chapters? Any doubts? Any doubts? You just tell me right now. If you are having any doubt, just tell me right now. No one is having doubt. Shanchal Drisi, till now you are not having any doubts, right?
No, sir.
Hmm. Oh, 10.31 minute. So let me check. Okay, the same type questions. You please keep on bringing the questions. You are not asking a single question from anything. Not AP, nothing.
Sir, I have a question, sir. 2 minutes. I am sending you.
Sunday exam portion you want. Surface area and volumes you can do. Javian?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in textbook, sir. Page number 104, example 9, sir. I'm not able to understand the question.
NCERT you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
Can you send me on WhatsApp or WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp is better if you send me. Which chapter is that?
So AP only.
Okay, send that. Acha.
Sir, I have sent the question in chat. If you need, then I can also send on WhatsApp.
The front compound of a wall you are saying, this one. Huh? Samarth?
Yeah, sir, this question actually I am not getting it. I
Well,
am getting the process, but I think I am not getting the calculation actually.
calculation.
Yeah, I am getting incorrect answer many times.
Which question, which chapter is this? Means which book question you got this?
NCERT, sir.
NCERT.
That last exercise. What?
Means
Not from the point of exam. That one.
that one.
Yeah.
Okay. The front compound wall. So only you are having calculation mistake only.
Yeah, I know the process whole,
Huh.
but I am not getting the calculation how. I
The
am doing.
calculation you are good. You are having calculator also. Calculation is very easy to you.
And no, sir.
If you are
Sir,
using no.
calculation I am doing with calculator, but sir, I am doing some part incorrect in that.
In some
Any
part, correct.
sequence or
But
something.
you are saying, yeah, I just okay. Anyway, we'll try once. Wait.
All right.
But I think what Shreyas is going to ask, that is the easier only question, right? Right, Shreyas?
Sir, it's the question is about simple interest and compound interest. So that's an audible.
It's a compound interest.
Yes.
Okay, that will be easy question only. I think that one. How much is going to increase? No, per time. The difference will be same. Understood, Shreyas?
Yes,
The
I'm trying to understand.
interest will be same. The front compound wall of a house is decorated by wooden sphere. Front wall. This is wall is there. It is decorated by wooden spheres diameter 21. Once we like a sphere like this, diameter is how much? 21 centimeter. Placed one on small supports shown in figure. Where is the figure, man? Shreyas, sorry, Samarth.
Yeah. Actually, I have not
8
sent you
such
the figure yet.
spheres are used for this purpose and all are painted silver. Each support is a cylinder of radius 1.5 and height 7. Is to be painted black. Find the cost of paint required if silver paint cost 25 paisa per meter centimeter square and black paint cost 5 paisas per centimeter square. Okay. You have sent me the picture of it. Samath, where you are sending this? Samarth, you send me in chat box. Okay. WhatsApp you can send. Just discuss in the next class. Okay. Samarth.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
And you, Shreyas, if you are also just try to understand, if you're having doubt, ask. In the middle also you can ask, not a problem.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Fine, all of you can leave now. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.